Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Ecobee thermostat. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Ecobee and are wondering how to actually go ahead and reset it. Maybe you want to reconfigure it, maybe you don't like some of the settings. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's go ahead and click on the upper right hand corner into the settings option. Next, click on the gear icon right over here. Then from here, go ahead and scroll all the way down until where you see settings. Then from here, scroll down again, and then there should be a reset button to go ahead and reset your Ecobee thermostat. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your Ecobee thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.